So we're going to go to the fourth chapter, that's data lookups, VLOOKUP in other words. Okay, so the basic essence is that this is used to merge different sheets together. The data from one sheet can be used on another sheet. Okay, so yeah, so let's so this is your employee ID designation grade, and we are going to add the salaries. We want to add the salaries of the employees or whatever the designation. So this is how you do it. Just press equal to we look up. Okay, so when that comes, just double click on it. Now lookup value will always be your first value on the current sheet. Okay, so over here it's A2 cell, that is 14 number. Just put comma. Now we want the data from which table. So this table array is the data from where you're going to get it. So I want it from this table since it has the salary and all. Okay, so you do that and just press comma. Now you're in. Now let's go back to that sheet, and yeah, so when this designation comes out, I'm not sure, but just press 1. Okay, because that's a column number. Column index number is a column number of your the previous sheet. That's a merge sheet. Okay, that I'll teach you all a little later. And now just press comma and false because we want the exact match. Now close this and enter. Now the thing is, we don't want the previous sheet range to change, right? So we have to make it static. So we press F4. So press F4 over there. Okay, and press enter. Okay, so we're done with this now. Okay, now just go to your merge sheet and see which column number has your salary. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the fifth column has your salary. So in over here, 1 was a column number, column index number. So just make that 5 since the fifth one is salary, and press enter. Now just drag this to the bottom and you will get all the salaries. And okay, and we're done.